Hi everyone, today on Cooking Up Love, I'm sharing my recipe for twice baked potato casserole. It's like cheesy, creamy baked potatoes for a crowd. This is easy to make ahead and it's so great for parties and potlucks. If you love comfort food, you're gonna love these potatoes. Every bite is warm and delicious. Now let me show you how we make this. Here's the ingredients we'll be using, and I've also listed everything you'll need and the recipe in the description box below. We'll be using 8 medium-sized russet potatoes, plain Greek yogurt, you could also use sour cream, heavy cream, cheddar cheese, also a package of cream cheese that didn't make it in here, butter, and salt and pepper. This is a 2-step recipe. The potatoes get baked first. Scrub your potatoes well and poke a hole in each one. Then bake them in a hot 475-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until they're cooked through, and you can easily pierce them with a fork or knife. Then let the potatoes cool so they're easy enough to handle, and lower the oven temperature to 350 degrees. Next, combine 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, you can use the sour cream here instead, and a half cup of heavy cream. Add in about 1.5 cups of the shredded cheese and save about a half cup of the cheese for later. 8 tablespoons of melted butter that has cooled down a little bit, and then stir this all together until it's well combined. And if you want to add bacon, you can add it here. Add a half teaspoon of kosher salt and a half teaspoon of ground black pepper and stir. Now that the potatoes have cooled a bit, cut them in half and scoop out the flesh. Hey, if you're liking this recipe, do me a favor and press the like button. We're making easy and delicious recipes that are perfect for sharing with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. This is one of those recipes that you can make a day ahead of time, so it's great for making and taking. Just bake the potatoes, mix all of the ingredients, and then cover the dish with aluminum foil and pop it in the refrigerator. See the notes below for all the details. Okay, once you've scooped out all of the insides, coarsely mash the potatoes with a fork or a potato masher. Then add the cheese mixture and stir to combine it all together. Do you have a favorite casserole that you love to share at parties? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If the mixture seems a little dry, add a bit more yogurt or sour cream so that the mixture has some creaminess to it. I'm adding another 1/4 cup of yogurt. Coat a casserole dish with butter or cooking spray and then pour in the potato mixture. Bake this in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes until the casserole is heated through. Then top with the remaining half cup of cheese and return it to the oven for just a few more minutes until the cheese melts. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you're looking for more easy and delicious food, check out this playlist I put together for you. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.